Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ishan, the idiot over the internet. The idiot over the internet. Who writes all of this stuff? Anyways, speaking of idiots, segue. For today's video, I will be talking about the 5 stupid things Indians do, in my opinion. Number 5, pressing both the buttons on the elevator. Now, starting things off with the very subtle pressing both the buttons on the elevator. Now, this is something that you genuinely need to notice. Now, I'm pretty sure many of y'all have seen an elevator and some of y'all have even used an elevator. I have seen so many people press both the buttons while trying to call the elevator, and it does not even matter if you're on the ground floor, the 5th floor or the last floor of the building. Both buttons need to be pressed. Genuinely, if it is an old person, that's fine. Like, it's okay. I've seen people in their mid-20s and above do this thing. Like, I'm genuinely curious, what do you think is gonna happen if you don't press both the buttons? Like, the elevator all of a sudden is gonna go like, shit, this person actually knows how to operate this particular machine and is not pressing both the buttons. I think this is the perfect time for me to stop functioning at all. Number 4, unnecessary honking. Or in other words, just honking. Now moving on to honking. Now, first things first, now let's acknowledge the fact that everyone who's driving is certainly not capable of driving. But I genuinely feel Indians like to honk. Like, they get some sick pleasure out of it. And being more specific, brown uncles and brown dads. Because honking and brown uncles have a lot in common. They're loud, they're unnecessary, they're irritating, and they're always found at a large gathering. Like, this actually has happened. I was sitting in a car and the person driving it was honking on an empty road. So I was like, bro, why are you honking? The road is empty. And the answer I got blew my mind away. The person driving the car replied to me, I'm just being on the safer side. The safer side of what? Who are you gonna run into on an empty road? Number 3, everyone takes science. Now let's just get it out of the way. Indians are obsessed with engineering, medicine, science, all that stuff. Any Indian who's ever studied in the Indian education system at any given time is either forced to take science or has been told to take science. Obviously, it does not matter if you like it or not. We don't do this here. It does not even matter if you're good at it. It is just assumed that you will be good at it eventually. Like, I've heard this statement so many times. Ke beta, you should take science to keep your options open. So, I know what I'm gonna do. So why are you making me study something that I'm not good at and that I don't even understand? Number 2, obsessing over fair skin. I mean, where should I even start? I mean, there was a thing called Fair and Lovely, which is now Glow and Lovely. There's another thing called Fair and Handsome, which I'm pretty sure is gonna get changed to Glow and Handsome cause branding. Again, old people being obsessed with fair skin is that's like trying to get a broken record to play Coldplay songs. It's not happening. But seeing educated Indians fall for this stupid notion is just absurd. Not to mention the amount of shit people get who do not meet the required skin color. And number 1, judging people. I mean, you guys probably saw this coming. Try doing anything that is a little off of what is expected from you, you're gonna be judged. Go out with a girl, you're gonna be judged. Go out with a guy, you're gonna be judged. I mean, you could genuinely cure cancer, but if you're a single parent, you're gonna be judged. And I genuinely feel the one true way from the bottom of my heart that we all must do to end this vicious cycle of judging people is to do more fucking outrageous things. Like, fuck taking the high road and all that jazz. I feel everyone should do more outrageous things. Also, what were you expecting? That's the only advice I'm going to give you guys. No one's taking the high road here. So guys, that's it for today's video. I know I've not spoken about a lot of serious topics. Yeah. Shit. But we can always do a part 2, and I don't know, someone has written something here that says, I'm the idiot, you're not. I don't know who's writing stuff for me, like, I need to fire someone probably. But yeah, if you like this video, give me one of these. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And I don't know that line. I'm just gonna repeat that line that says, "I'm the idiot, you're not." Whatever that means. We all know who's the idiot here. And I will see you guys in another video. Till then, bye.